What's up, everyone? This is Crown Dodge in Ventura. Today, we're taking a look at a new 2021 Ram 1500 Bighorn LoneStar Crew Cab package. This is a 4x2 rear-wheel drive with a 5-foot 7-inch cargo box. It comes in the Delmonico red Pearlcoat exterior with black and diesel gray combo interior. It's got the 3.6 V6 eTorque engine with an 8-speed automatic transmission and gets 305 horsepower. It gets 20 city MPG and 25 highway MPG with beautiful 18-inch alloy wheels, great cargo space, a Class 3 bumper hitch with 7-pin wiring harness, spacious bench seating which comfortably fits 6 people, remote keyless entry, push to start, backup camera, electronic parking brake, cruise control, Bluetooth, and more. If you like what you see, call, direct message us, or visit our website for pricing and more details. Again, this is Crown Dodge and Ram in Ventura, and you just took a look at a new 2021 Ram 1500 Crew Cab Bighorn LoneStar with an awesome package.